Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best AE is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools you can have in your home or workshop, offering unparalleled convenience for a wide range of tasks, from quick fixes to more involved projects. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone who just needs to get things done around the house, the right AE can save you time, effort, and even money by allowing you to tackle jobs yourself instead of hiring professionals. This review will dive deep into what makes a particular AE stand out from the crowd, ensuring you make an informed decision for your needs. Number 5. eCloth Window Cleaning Cloth Kit. Introducing our innovative cleaning kit, designed to make your windows sparkle. Its microscopic fibers effectively capture dirt and grime from various surfaces. Achieve a flawless, streak-free finish on glass and mirrors with our specialized cloths. Say goodbye to disposable sprays and paper towels. This kit is built to last, offering a sustainable cleaning solution. Simply toss the cloths in the laundry for repeated use, wash after wash. Beyond windows, these generously sized cloths are perfect for cars, mirrors, lenses, and screens. They handle large surfaces with ease. Experience a truly clean finish with our two-step process. Dampen the waffle weave cloth with water, then use the dry polishing cloth for a spotless result. Our innovative cloths remove 99% of grease, grime, and microscopic particles. Enjoy thorough and spotless results every time you clean. What we like. This cleaning kit offers a revolutionary way to achieve a spotless finish on all your glass surfaces. It cleans effectively using just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for sparkling windows, mirrors, and even car exteriors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with any decor. It is very easy to use and set up, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 4. Nutricost Vitamin E 400 IU Softgels. Discover the power of vitamin E with our high-quality supplement. Each softgel provides 400 IU to support your daily wellness needs. Our formula is crafted with purity in mind. It's gluten-free and non-GMO, ensuring you receive a clean and effective supplement. Getting your daily dose of vitamin E has never been easier. Just one softgel a day helps maintain your body's natural functions. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in supporting your overall health. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. With 240 softgels per bottle, you'll have a generous supply to support your health journey. Enjoy great value and consistent quality. What we like. This supplement provides a significant dose of vitamin E in a convenient form. It's made with quality ingredients, ensuring you get a pure and effective product. If you are looking to support your overall wellness and antioxidant intake with a simple, high-quality supplement, these softgels are an excellent option. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. The display is clear and vibrant, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. Number 3. ArtNaturals Vitamin E Bio Oil and Gua Sha Set. Introducing our Vitamin E Bio Oil and Gua Sha Set. This organic moisturizer is designed to hydrate your skin and provide relief for muscle and joint discomfort. It's perfect for addressing concerns like scars, stretch marks, and cellulite. Experience smoother, more radiant skin with this natural formula. The versatile oil also serves as a fantastic massage oil. Use it to gently massage away tension in your joints and muscles. Incorporate this into your daily skincare routine for a healthy glow. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your body. The included gua sha tools enhance the experience, promoting circulation and aiding in muscle relaxation. Feel revitalized from head to toe. Don't forget your nails. This nourishing oil helps to condition and strengthen them, promoting healthier nail growth. What we like. This set combines the benefits of organic vitamin E oil with traditional skincare tools. It's designed to nourish your skin and enhance your self-care routine. If you're seeking a natural way to improve skin appearance, reduce scars and stretch marks, and enjoy a relaxing massage experience, this duo is ideal for you. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It's incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls and clear instructions. The performance is outstanding, delivering consistent and high-quality results every time. Number 2. MaryRuth Organics Vitamin E Liquid Drops. Discover the power of vitamin E with our USDA-certified liquid drops. Support your bone and joint health, and enhance cognitive function for the whole family. Experience the benefits of a sugar-free, vegan, and non-GMO formula. Our drops are also gluten-free, making them a clean choice for your wellness routine. Keep your bones and joints strong and healthy. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining mobility and comfort. Sharpen your mind and support brain health. Our vitamin E drops are designed to aid cognitive function for both adults and children. Perfect for everyone, our formula is suitable for adults and kids. Enjoy the benefits without any added sugars or allergens. Get a generous 2-month supply in every 2-ounce bottle. It's an easy and convenient way to ensure consistent daily intake. What we like. This liquid vitamin E supplement offers a flexible and easy way to incorporate this essential nutrient into your diet. It's suitable for adults and kids, and supports various aspects of health. If you prefer a liquid form over pills, need a vegan option, or are looking for a supplement to support bone, joint, and cognitive health, these drops are a great fit. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful feature that makes it easy to use. The product is well made and durable. Number 1. Cliganic Pure Vitamin E Oil. Discover the power of pure vitamin E oil, a natural solution for your skin and hair. This potent formula is designed to nourish and revitalize. Whether you're looking to improve your skin's appearance, enhance your hair's health, or rejuvenate your face, this oil is your go-to. It addresses multiple concerns with ease. Experience the high potency of 30,000 IU, ensuring you receive maximum benefits. This concentrated formula works effectively to deliver visible results. Rest assured with our non-GMO verified ingredients, providing you with a pure and natural product. We prioritize quality and your well-being. Formulated with natural D-alpha tocopherol, it's the premium form of vitamin E. Embrace a healthier you with this trusted ingredient. It's time to nourish your natural beauty. This versatile oil helps reduce the appearance of scars and promotes a radiant complexion. What we like. This product offers a concentrated, natural form of vitamin E for targeted skin and hair benefits. It's a pure and verified ingredient, ensuring quality for your skincare needs. If you are specifically looking for a potent, natural oil to address concerns like skin hydration, scar reduction, or hair nourishment, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It's incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls and clear instructions. The performance is outstanding, delivering consistent and high-quality results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.